Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have an educational supply store and you really want a website for your business, then keep watching this video today because you're certainly in the right place. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the MultiSites platform. The MultiSites platform is the easiest way to create a simple website these days. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to hit to the top and I'm going to go ahead and quickly search for my market, educational supply store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your educational supply store is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue and let MultiSites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together at what it's come up with. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you want to showcase your own images on your website of all the amazing educational products you stock in store. Maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer or possess any special web development skills. Even hire a professional to help you with this. It's not necessary. You can do it all yourself. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be briefly showing you through each section. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and put in my email address for my business. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here, which is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our street address here, our physical location. Awesome. The great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on it, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's move along and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make some minor amendments to it, crop it, zoom in, maybe add some filters, you can click on this little pencil. Otherwise, you can make it bigger on the right here and a customize logo. Awesome. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to change the colors to suit your branding, your logo a little bit better, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Let's have a look at a few more. Great. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that for now. Now, for each section that you want to update, click on Update section underneath. Go ahead and change the content to suit your business needs. Buttons all can link to various places, and you can change the wording on them. To link them to various places, click on Choose Link. You can link to another website if it's necessary. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your current promotions and offers, maybe catalog of your different products you are stocking. Under Update Image, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up that are suitable for your business. Do play around with those keywords a little bit. Over here in the last section, you can put your trading hours for your business. Go ahead and click on Update Hours, put in your various trading hours over here, and they will be displayed in the last section on your websites. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say already you have a domain, go through the steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business and you want a domain to make your website look a little bit more professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your educational supply store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.